It's a scene that Afghanistan's cricketers have become used to, celebrating victory. This latest success at the T20 qualifiers in Dubai, moving them and their supporters within sight of a return to the World Cup.
Cricket is a symbol of unity in Afghanistan, and everybody, if you go in every street, in every wadi, everybody is doing cricket.
Afghanistan's rapid rise was underlined 2 years ago when the team defied sporting logic to qualify for their first ever T20 World Cup. India and South Africa did beat them in their 2 games at those finals, but Afghanistan had arrived as a cricketing force. For the sport's world governing body, Afghanistan's continued growth as a team proved cricket really can move beyond its traditional boundaries.
The great thing about Afghanistan, though, it's not just about the social and political dynamic and the way that cricket has been able to perhaps unite some of the Afghan people, but they're a very, very good cricket team.
Afghanistan are now above far more established countries, including the West Indies, in the World T20 rankings. One more win in this tournament and they'll have qualified for September's World Cup in Sri Lanka.
They're very tough guys, and they've been through it again and again, I would say, and they're quite up for it. And I'll be a happy man if they just qualify straight away. Don't make us play any more games, and I'll be a happy coach.
It was on this ground 2 years ago that Afghanistan's inspiring tale of resilience and no little skill ended with the win that saw them making their first ever appearance at a World Cup. And it's a sign of their maturity as a team that a World Cup return this year wouldn't be a surprise. It's now expected. Andy Richardson, Al Jazeera, Dubai.